Meditation is a well-accepted scientific practice and is tremendously valued for its amazing health benefits. You probably might have read about it in a magazine, a blog, or heard your friends and mentors raving about how meditation helped them to cope with their stress, improve their concentration, boost their immunity, and so on. But what people don't tell you is how difficult it was for them to get started, do it regularly, and translate that into a daily habit. 7 out of 10 people give up on meditation within the first week they try it. Why? Because most of them get bored, tired, and frustrated in trying to learn the mechanisms behind making meditation into a daily health habit. They see other meditators going on about for several minutes and even hours together, and they are left wondering, how do they do it for so long? And this is true for any new skill that you try to learn. So let's take a look at why people try and fail, what's going on in their minds, and how to get around the real problem. Would that be of interest to you guys? If yes, then there's a simple method you can follow to easily and progressively learn any skill that you want and make it into a successful habit. By the end of this video, you will have the right tools and the mindset to experience the power of meditation and feel good doing so. Let's get started already. So here comes in a nice little psychologist called Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, who, apart from having an interesting name, came up with the concept of flow states. Flow is a state of concentration or complete absorption in which people are so involved in an activity that nothing else seems to matter. It is identical to the feeling of being in the zone or in the groove. This is a feeling everyone has at times, characterized by a feeling of great absorption, engagement, fulfillment, and skill development. So how does one get into the flow state? Basically, you must consider 2 things: the challenge the task is providing you and your skill level. So if the challenge that you engage yourself with exceeds your current skill level, then you get anxious and frustrated and you will eventually give up. On the other hand, if your skill exceeds your task challenge, you will find it too easy, you get bored, and your attention shifts to something else that's more interesting. In short, you get distracted. Now let's see how you can apply this concept to effectively practice meditation. First, let's establish a baseline of your skill. Have a stopwatch nearby and ready. Start with 1-minute meditation. Let's say breathing awareness meditation, where you simply notice your breathing. A simple task, right? Well, most people find it increasingly annoying, because as they notice their breathing, annoying thoughts come to their mind. But that's okay, because we are just establishing a baseline here. Let's say you can meditate effectively for 45 seconds before getting hopelessly distracted or frustrated. Then that's your baseline. Now practice meditation each day for just 45 seconds and not a second more. Use a timer if you have to. Soon, 45 seconds will be too easy for you, and that's when you need to up the ante. Push for maybe 60 seconds and practice 60 seconds meditation for a few days until you master that. And as you keep on mastering and pushing yourself, you will eventually find that you are constantly being in the state of flow. And soon you'll begin to realize that meditation for half an hour straight has become a piece of cake for you. It takes time, but I assure you that this is the easiest and surefire way for mastering meditation and any skill for that matter. But remember, consistency and motivation are the key here. You have to practice it daily, and you must have the intrinsic motivation to do so every day. But I'm sure engaging the flow state will make it much easier for you to commit to the wonderful practice of meditation. There you have it. Now go out there and find your flow. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. This video was brought to you by The Indian Psychologist. Stay tuned for more, like our Facebook, and in a week or so we'll release our next video. Thank you for watching.